Well, good day, drone fans. This is Drone Doll coming at you on a special day here. I haven't done an unboxing video in a while, and right here I've got a DJI Mini 2, a brand new Mini 2 I ordered. I was just kind of getting sick and tired of all the restrictions to flying if you have more than a 250 gram drone. So this is a Mini, which of course comes below the 250 gram size. So we're going to do an unboxing and then a first flight. So stay tuned. Just remember to click and subscribe to my channel. And it's been a while. Let's roll that old intro. Stay tuned. We're going to cut this fish open. Okay, we're back. I got a nice steak knife here I'm going to go through this baby with. So let's get this baby down. Oh, there she is. Nice packaging. There it is, the DJI Mini 2, 249 grams, actually comes in a little less than 249 grams. So much more flexibility in flying and where you can fly. So let's get this thing open. All right, there it is, nice packaging. I know I'm 6 months past when this thing came out. I'm a little late to the party, but anyway, here we are. So let's open it up here, maybe, and here. They sure package them nice. This thing's in a shrink wrap to the boot here. All right, so here we go. Ooh, nice case. I got the combo pack, by the way. This is the combo pack, the DJI Mini 2 combo. The package, and then we got the DJI Mini 2. There it is in all its glory. Very nice. Controller is here. Nice packaging in the controller. Oh man, and there's the Mini 2. Look at that. It's so small. I can't believe it. This is my first one, and I just look at this thing. It's unbelievable. We got that. It's got a nice band around it. We got the controller. Got the nice controller here. I believe this comes out. Sticks are in here. Like that. What else we got in here? And I think this should be the batteries. We got the battery combo. Should be it for this thing. There it is. There's the battery multi-hub charger and the 2 batteries in there for the combo pack. So we got everything. Got your USB things for the phone, I assume. I think these, what do we got here? Some papers. Some papers. Manual, quick start guide. We're good to go. And almost forgot the extra props. Extra props and goodies in the little pouch inside the bag. Very good. So anyway, we're going to take this thing up in the air, and we'll see how it goes for the first time. And stick around for this video, the next flight coming up, and more videos to come on this channel. Make sure you subscribe.